So everyone always thinks that you need this big $1,000 setup to start making YouTube videos. I don't think that's completely true. So today we're at Five Below and Dollar Tree. I'm gonna try and see if I can be a YouTuber with 20 bucks, 30 bucks. I don't know, I'm gonna try and keep it cheap. So I'm mainly gonna be looking for iPhone related stuff. I highly doubt I'm gonna find like a good camera here. Super slim chance. If I can, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna need things for audio, lighting, a tripod. Look what I found. I already found a wireless microphone. Let's go. So audio is done. Now I need some sort of tripod to set my phone up. So check this out. I found this tripod. It has a light on it and everything. It's pretty cool. It says it's 20 bucks. So I don't know if this is going to be our only option. That already is digging into our budget quite a bit. Let me see if I can find some sort of light or something. I actually found this neck mount. This is crazy. I know you'd never want to film a video with this, but it looks like it's a strong enough structure to hold a phone up, kind of as a tripod. So we might have to try this one out. I actually found a phone stand. So this might actually be the move. I found something even better. Look, check it out. It's an actual tripod meant for a phone. This is perfect. Now I'm just trying to figure out some sort of lighting because we always need lighting. They have these like puck lights that are meant for a house. I don't really know if that's what would work. I feel like I'd want more like warm lighting. I think I've come up with my two choices for audio and a tripod. I'm still lacking lighting, so I'm gonna look around here, but I think it's gonna look like Dollar Tree is gonna be the move for lighting. I think I actually may have found something. It's this ring light, and look, it says it has something from Roblox included. I don't even play Roblox. From what it's looking like too, this actually doubles as a stand. I still think I'm gonna go with this tripod just because this isn't gonna go as tall as you need, but it is gonna get you the lighting that you want. And if anything, it'll be nice to be able to stand the light up so then you're not having to like hold it or have it weirdly mounted on something. So I think this is good. I'm gonna look at Dollar Tree just to see if there's a lucky find over there, but this might be it. I ended up finding this really cool clip-on lamp. This one seems the most practical and the most easiest for anyone's case scenario, but we're gonna see the price difference because I'm trying to be a YouTuber on a budget. So clip-on mic, $5. Hey, tripod, $5. Hey, let's see how much this Ring selfie light Roblox light. This is $5 too. How much is this clip-on light? This clip-on light's $5 too. I'm gonna go with the clip-on lamp. I have a good feeling about it. Okay, I got all my stuff. I didn't end up finding anything at Dollar Tree. I love you, Dollar Tree, but you're not YouTuber friendly, man. I didn't find not a single light, not a single tripod, not a mic. I mean, maybe you could get away with like headphones, but that's gonna sound so bad. I'm gonna head on home and we're gonna test this stuff out. All right, I am back home. I got the stuff with me. I'm still baffled on how all of this ended up only being 15 bucks, but we're gonna see how good this stuff actually is. So I'm gonna open up the extendable tripod first. It says it extends up to 2 feet. That's pretty good. Oh, wow. It is very, very plasticky. Wow. Whoa, it extends out a lot. Wow. This alone is like hard to open. I'm like scared. Do I have to like break the plastic or something? Is there a button? I think this little remote is detachable. It has like a tiny, okay, yeah, it is detachable. Oh, it's blinking. I'm still trying to get these legs open. Oh, I got it. Oh my gosh. That took so much force. Just these legs alone. They're just like dancing. I mean, it'll hold your phone, but I wouldn't put too much trust into that. Let's see how this clip is for my phone, if it'll hold it up. Oh, the turning's nice. It's like a locking mechanism. That's cool. Oh yeah, it holds. Hey, that's not bad. It extends up pretty good too. This is high. Like if you're doing a sit down shot, you do not need it to be this high. This is crazy. Now let's do the lighting. See if this lamp works out pretty good. I have a good feeling about it because it's meant for like decoration. Oh, it already feels like pretty sturdy. It's USB as well, which is good to know. If you have a power bank, which they don't have them, wait, no, they do. I actually did see a couple power banks at Five Below. They have them there, and then I know Walmart has some for super cheap as well. This is pretty good. This is a nice little like bendable clamp. This is good. I like this. Oh, hold on. Oh, it's very spotlighty. That's not bad. That's actually not that bad. I mean, I'm lit up. This is what I wanted. This is the lighting. This is pretty decent. Whew. Now for the moment of truth is this microphone. I really, really hope this is good. From my experience of seeing videos and stuff like that, these microphones are usually not good, but we're gonna see. The mic itself feels decent. It's got this like weird rattling going on. I don't know where that's coming from. Dude, getting these open are so hard. I don't know why they make these so difficult. I've always hated these like plastic enclosed packages. The clip feels nice. It looks like, it looks like the clip only goes on one way. You cannot rotate. That's not that bad. That actually stays on pretty good. I just want to do like a quick test on this and see how it sounds. So this is the microphone. I'm holding it about 6 inches away from my mouth. I don't know. What if I get right on top of it like this and I talk like this? What if I'm way over here and what if I'm yelling? Oh! That was loud. Oh my God, that was loud. Okay, hearing the microphone, it's not bad. It's not bad. I haven't EQ'd it or anything. That was just the microphone itself. It sounds loud enough, which is cool, but I think it has like some sort of internal noise cancellation because it just sounds like muddy. But I'm gonna do my absolute best try at trying to make this sound as good as possible and also make this setup look as good as possible. Let's see how it comes out. So this is the final setup. Right now I'm recording at 4K 24 frames per second on my phone. Highest possible quality that I can go. I have an iPhone 15 base model, nothing crazy. I know that if you had one of the newer like iPhone, 18 now or something, those record super, super good quality. So this might end up being the setup for you. I tried to make this microphone sound as best as possible, but I would recommend getting a different mic. There are a bunch of really good mics that you can get on Amazon. You can get the DJI Mic Mini for 25 bucks, but with the receiver, it's going to be a little bit more. Of course, you can find other good brands. I actually have one. It's a Boya microphone and it sounds absolutely amazing. I'll actually put it on right now. So this is the Boya microphone and I think this is like 30 bucks-ish on TikTok Shop / Amazon. They actually sent it to me for a video and I ended up unironically falling in love with it, and I keep it in my bag at all times now because look at this case. It's literally the size of AirPods, if not a little smaller. But this is it. This is the setup. Only 15 bucks. I really hope that this gave you some inspiration to finally go out there and get some equipment and get some content creating. If you enjoyed this video, I would greatly appreciate your support. And with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day.